Hello and welcome back. We're going to begin number 24 on the spring 2010 final exam. A wildlife researcher is investigating the population of, I don't know what that is, grebes? Sure, we're going to call them grebes, on a western lake. The first time she and her crew go to the lake, they capture 345 of them, and then they release them back into the wild, or the lake. About a month later, they return to the lake and capture 377 more, and of these 377, 123 had been tagged previously. So what should the researchers estimate the population to be? Now, we go in probably a lot of detail in class about this, but we ended up with just a formula, okay, which looked like this. Now, the P stands for population. Now, here's what F, S, and T stand for. So we got population is P, F stands for the number in your first sample, S stands for the number in your second sample, and T stands for the number tagged in your second sample. So we have all that information up here. Okay. F is, let's see, the number in the first sample. So the first time she and her crew go, they capture 345. So that's the number in the first sample. And then they release it. About a month later, they return to the lake and they capture 377 more. So that's the second sample. And then of the 377, 123 had been tagged already. So 123. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply that, and that'll be our answer. And that equals 1,057.439. But we're talking about living objects here, so we're going to probably round to the nearest single. So we're going to go with probably 1,057. So my answer is going to be 1,057, which is C.